If you've changed your phone number and need to update it on the public app, here's exactly how to do it step by step. First, open the public app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From there, select Settings, then tap on Account. You'll see your current account details, including your registered phone number. Tap on the phone number field to start the update process. Now, enter your new phone number, and then tap Continue. You'll receive a verification code via SMS on your new number. Enter the code in the app to confirm your identity and complete the update. Once verified, your phone number will be updated across your public app account. You'll receive a confirmation notification or email once the change is successful. Please note, if you no longer have access to your old number and can't log in, you may need to contact public support team directly through their help center for assistance. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your phone number on the public app in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching.